Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard cider using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential equipment. You'll need a 1-gallon carboy or a food-grade bucket, along with an airlock and stopper. Don't forget a funnel, a siphon, and some clean bottles for bottling later. Remember, sanitization is crucial for successful fermentation, so clean everything thoroughly before you begin this exciting process. Now, let's talk about the star ingredient, your apple cider. Choose 1 gallon of fresh, unpasteurized apple cider. It's vital that your cider does not contain any preservatives like potassium sorbate or sodium benzoate, as these will prevent the yeast from working. Look for cider with only apples listed in the ingredients. This ensures a clean and effective fermentation process for your delicious hard cider. With your cider ready, it's time to initiate fermentation. Open your 1-gallon container of cider and add 1 packet of champagne or cider yeast directly into it. Gently swirl to mix. Then, securely attach the airlock to your carboy or bucket lid. This allows gases to escape without letting air in. Place your fermenter in a cool, dark spot, ideally around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, and let nature do its work for about 2 weeks. After about 2 weeks, your hard cider should be ready for bottling. Carefully siphon the fermented cider into your clean bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. For a sparkling cider, add 1/4 teaspoon of priming sugar to each 12-ounce bottle. Cap them tightly and store them in a cool, dark place for another 1 to 2 weeks to allow for carbonation. Then, chill and enjoy your homemade hard cider.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.